Hey there! Another video, another extremely important topic. Let's learn how to create credit. A lot of people have never used credit, and due to this, they don't have a credit score. Some people have just enough credit to have a credit score, but they're still in need of new credit to build and strengthen their credit file. If you're one of these people, you came to the right place. There are numerous different ways to build credit. Before you start building your credit up though, remember that you have to use your credit responsibly. Make 100% sure you will be able to make all of your payments on time, or your new credit accounts could do more harm than good. All right, time to learn how to create credit from scratch. Here's the first step. Apply for a credit card. While it may be hard to get a traditional unsecured credit card without a solid credit history, you can definitely get what is called a secured credit card. As time goes by, having a credit card will help your credit scores grow. Make sure you don't miss a payment and try to get your credit utilization ratio at 30% or below for the best results. Installment and personal loans. You can go to a bank or a credit union and apply for a very simple, low payment loan. Getting a loan like this and making your payments on time will provide a very solid boost for your credit. It will improve your credit mix, and it could even help lower your credit utilization ratio. Both are great for building quality credit. Rent reporting agencies. A wonderful way to build new credit is to work with a rent reporting agency. They'll report your on-time rent payments to the bureaus. By doing this, you can add a great account to your credit report that would not be there otherwise. Of course, you still need to make on-time payments if you want your credit scores to increase, but adding alternative data to your credit report can make a considerable difference when you're trying to create credit. You can also report utility payments, cell phone payments, and more. Become an authorized user. If you can find somebody who is willing to help you out, becoming an authorized user is an amazing way to create credit. Becoming an authorized user will allow you to make purchases on someone else's credit card, but the primary account holder will still be responsible for all payments. As an authorized user, you can benefit from the account holder's credit history, but you can also be harmed as well. If you are confident that the primary account holder will make their payments on time, take the opportunity to become an authorized user. Set up a joint account or cosign on a loan. While setting up a joint account or being a cosigner is similar to being an authorized user, both parties have to make payments. Due to this, any missed or late payments from either party will cause negative marks on your credit report for both you and your cosigner. Just like becoming an authorized user, if you're confident that payments will be maintained, you should take the opportunity to grow your credit. Those are just a few of the things that you can do to create credit for yourself. Always be careful what situations you're putting yourself into, because little mistakes can cause a big headache down the road. Taking the first step is the most important part of creating new credit. Once you have started building your new credit, you have to maintain it. Luckily for you, we have a video on some of the best ways to do just that. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing or leave us a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Seriously, please give me a call. I'm lonely.